Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about TLM, Teaching Learning Material. TLM, Teaching Learning Material. Now, we all know language is a medium through which one can express one's ideas, thoughts, feelings, and messages. The language teaching is somehow a difficult task as it is basically conditioned by the nature of the subjects. So, for making the teaching learning process interesting, a teacher can take the help of teaching learning materials. While selecting the teaching learning materials, a teacher should ensure that the skills of reading, listening, speaking, and writing should be developed. Now, what is TLM? Teaching learning materials are the aids used by the teacher or facilitator in the classroom to make his teaching more understandable and effectively. They are known as the teaching learning materials or teaching aids. It can be big or small and can be bought or made easily by both the teacher and the students. For example, blackboard, map, chart, globe, tape recorder, all are TLMs. Now, you can easily say teaching learning materials are those materials which helps us in our teaching learning process. Materials which help us in our teaching learning process, they are called TLMs. Now look at the term teaching. It is related to teacher, and the term learning related to learner. That means TLM is helpful both for the teachers and the learners. That is why it is called TLM. It is helpful both for the teacher and the learner. That is why it is called TLM, materials which help us in our teaching learning process. Sometimes it is also called as LTM, learning teaching material. Same, learning teaching material. Okay, it is the teaching aids used by the teachers or the students. It actually facilitates the teachers and the students, and it helps them in the teaching learning process. It is called TLM, teaching learning material. Now, characteristics of TLM. What are the characteristics of TLM? Teaching aids can be found easily whether in a market or can be made by the teacher or student. So, teaching aids should be easily available. Teaching aids are cheap and easy to carry. Teaching aids should be simple and able to adjust to the classroom situations. Teaching aids make the lessons enjoyable and interesting for the students. These aids save time, energy, and burden of a teacher. So these are the basic characteristics of TLM, teaching learning materials or teaching aids. Now, what are the objectives of using teaching aids? Motivates learners. Actually, TLM helps to motivate the learners. The teachers make use of not only one but various forms of teaching learning materials within the classroom setting. When they are making use of them, they ensure that students are able to feel pleasurable and get motivated towards learning. Therefore, students develop interest and enthusiasm and develop motivation towards learning. So, TLM helps to motivate the learners. Come to the next point, development of knowledge and skills among teachers. Through the implementation of teaching learning materials in an effective manner, the teachers are able to develop their knowledge and skills. They are able to get awareness. They are able to generate awareness regarding how to make use of this knowledge in performing their job duties well. They need to make use of the skills and knowledge in the achievement of educational objectives. So TLM is also helpful for the development of knowledge and skills among the teacher. TLM also help in longer retention of information. The TLMs, when implemented, should ensure that they help in the longer retention of information. When learners pay appropriate attention towards TLMs, then they are not only able to acquire an effective understanding of the concepts, but also are able to promote longer retention of the information. Actually, TLM facilitate holistic learning. Through TLM, the learners are not only able to acquire an effective understanding of the academic concepts, but the teachers also assist and support them in augmentation of psychomotor, cognitive and intellectual development. A development of these are regarded as essential for promoting effective decision making process and rational thinking. It also helps in organizing classroom teaching. The teachers are able to generate awareness in terms of implementation of lesson plans and concepts. When they are using teaching learning materials in an appropriate manner, then they are able to plan and organize the teaching methods also within the classroom. Actually, they are able to generate awareness in terms of concepts. TLM also helps in promoting effective communication. Communication between the teacher and the student. Communication between the students. Okay, so TLM also helps in promoting effective communication. Actually, we all know there are three types of interactions in a classroom. One is teacher-student, the other is student-teacher, and the third one or last one is student-student. TLM helps in promoting effective communication. Facilitating change in attitudes. TLM also helps us to facilitate in change in attitudes. The teachers as well as students are able to bring about changes in attitudes and behavioral traits through the use of teaching learning material. Actually, TLM is practical implementation of the concepts. It is practical applications. TLM promotes the application of the theoretical knowledge into practical applications. It makes the learning pleasurable, and TLM also helps in concept formation. So these are the major objectives of using TLM. In our next class, we should discuss about the types of TLM. Thank you all. Thank you.